Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are all doing good and studying well. So today we are going to continue with our previous chapter, that is chapter 3. I am starting from the page 100. Okay, now what is here? It is given repeated addition. That means repeated addition means we have to add again and again. Okay, number 1 example. Niladri, Jayashri and Rebecca have 3 apples each. How many apples do they have in all? That is, we have to find out the total number of the apples. That means we have to plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the total number of the apples are 9. Number 2 example. Diya, Tandeep, Srivasan and Fatima have 2 pet dogs each. How many pet dogs do they have altogether? That means we have to find out the total number of the dogs. Here, in each group there are 2 dogs. We will count it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 8. So, they have 8 pets altogether. Now, find the answers by repeated addition and fill in the blanks. So, here the number are given 6 plus 6 plus 6. That is the total number is 18. When we plus 6 and 6 and 6, we will get 18. You can count the leaves and you can write. Number 2, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is 12. You can count the balloons and you can write. That is 4 3s are 12. Now next page. That is 4 plus 4 plus 4. That is 12. You can count the umbrellas here and you can write the answer. Number 5. That is 5 plus 5 plus 5. So 5 is here 4 times. 4 group of 5, that is 20. Okay, now multiplication. Up to this we have learned repeat addition and now we are going to multiplication. How many shells are there? How many shells are there? 5 plus 5 plus 5 means each group have 5 shells and there are 3 groups of 5, that is 15. Adding 5 3 times gives 15. So we can say 3 times 5 equal 15. We use the symbol into to show times or multiplication. Repeat addition of the same number is called multiplication. We write it as 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 5, 15 is read as 3 times 5 is 15 or 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. Okay, so you can understand that 3 times 5 is 15. Show this in multiplication form. Now, 6 plus 6 plus 6. That is, the 6 is repeated here how many times? 3 times. So, 3 times 6 is 3 times 6. We will write here this form. That is 3 into 6 is a multiplication form of 6 plus 6 plus 6. So, this is called the multiplication form. Okay. And here it is given in the repeat addition form. Here it is repeat addition form and here it is the multiplication form. 6 plus 6 plus 6, that is 3 plus 3 into 6 is, we can say this is the multiplication form. 8 plus 8 plus 8, that is 3 times 8. 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is 4 times 4. 9 plus 9 plus 9, that is 3 times 9. 9 is repeated here 3 times. Now 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, that is 6 is repeated here 4 times. That is 4 group of 6. Similarly, we will do all. Now we will go to the next page. Match the repeated addition fact with the multiplication fact. Remember, 7 plus 7 plus 7 is a repeated addition fact. 3 into 7 is the multiplication fact. That is 7 plus 7 is 3 times 7. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 5 into 5. We can say this is the multiplication form and it is the repeat addition form. So we will connect. We will join the correct answer. Now fill in number 3, fill in the blanks. That is 3 into 5. Here the multiplication form is given. You have to write in the repeat addition form. Okay, so 3 times 5 means 5 is repeated here 5 times. 3 times, sorry, 3 times. 5 is repeated here 3 times. Now 5 into 5, that is 5 is repeated here 5 times. 3 into 7, that is the 7 is repeated here 3 times. 6 into 3, that is the 3 is repeated here 6 times. Okay. Now number 4, find out the answers by repeated addition and then by multiplication. It is same like this only. We have to do the in the both way. Okay. Now 3 plus number A, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 12. That means 4 into 3 is 12. That is 4 times 3 is 12. Here the group is of 3. How many times? 4 times. The group of 3 is 4 times. Now here the group of 5 is 5 times. That is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 25. 5 times 5 is 25. In the same way, we will do all. Next page. How many in all? Find out the answers by multiplication. Here, how many is all? We have to find out the total number also here. Okay, now 3 group of 5. That means 3 group of 5 means 3 into 5. That is 15. Total number is 15. You can count the objects and you can write. Then 4 group of 6. That is 4 group of 6. Here are 4 cakes and up here there are 6 candles. So you can write 4 into 6 is 24. 2 groups of 6. Here it is 2 groups of 6. That means 6 mangoes are there in each group, in 2 group. In each group there are 6 mangoes. So what is the answer? 2 into 6 is 12. Now 6 group of 3. Now here the group is 6, but in each group there are 3 color brushes. So you can write 6 into 3 is 18. In the same way we will do all. 6 group of 6, that is 6 into 6 is 36. 4 groups of 5, that is 4 into 5 is 20. Now 3 groups of 9, that is 3 into 9 is 27. And 7 groups of 3, that is 7 into 3 is 21. Up to here the pictures are given. You can count the numbers and you can write. Okay. Here you have to understand the groups and the things that are present in the each groups. After that we will learn the multiplication table. Now in this page, page number 104, that is 104, here it is given multiplication on the number line. So I have not included, I have not given you in your book, I have not given you this, but let me explain you so that you can understand better the multiplication table. Okay. Now number 1, we can use the number line to multiply numbers. Multiply 3 by 2 using the number line. That is, here the group of 2 is how many times? 3 times. Now in the table, how can we say that? From here up to here, from 0 to 2 one group, now 2 to 4 another group, and 4 to 6 there is 3 group. That is 3 into 2 is 6. So the group is 1, 2, 3 and the answer is 6. So 3 into 2 is 6. The group is of 2 and how many times? 3 times. The group of 2 is here repeated. How many times? 3 times. That is 3 into 2, 6. Okay, let me show you the next example. Number 1, look at the number lines and write the multiplication fact. Number 1 is 2 into 6. 4 into 2, 8. So from here we will count 1, 2, 3, 4. So the group is 2. We will skip one number and we will count 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the answer is 8. In this way we will do all. Now let us go to the page number 106. From here it is given building multiplication table. Now from here we will learn how to build a multiplication table. When we multiply a number by 1, the answer is the number itself. Any number multiplied to 1, any number that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 multiplied to 1, the answer will be the same number. See, 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 1, 3, 4 into 1, 4, 5 into 1, 5, 6 into 1, 6, 7 into 1, 7, 8 into 1, 8, 9 into 1, 9, 10 into 1, 10. That is, when we multiply only one time, that the answer will be the same number. Okay. Now, multiplication table of 2. Multiplication table of 2. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. That means the group of 2 is repeated here 3 times, 6. Group of 2 is repeated here 2 times, that is 4. And this way we will learn you have to learn the multiplication tables of from 1 to 6. I have given you in the app, in the school app, I have already given you. You have to learn the multiplication table of 1 to 6. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. 2 1s are 2, 6 2s are 12, 4 into 1s are 4, 9 2s are 18. Okay, now when we learn the multiplication table, we can easily fill this blank. Okay, so for doing this, you have to learn the multiplication table that are given in your book. That is from 1 to 6. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Study well and please revise your books. Okay, thank you.